You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn the meaning and how to pronounce this word from Greek. That's also quite commonly used, and from the Bible. If you want to learn more biblical words, stay tuned. Some people think it's from Hebrew. No, it's from Greek. Philadelphia is the Greek pronunciation. It means brotherly love. Philadelphia. In English, it's more generally said as Philadelphia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.